You click on electrical permit and it brings you to the instructions page. Please read the instructions all the way through. It has a lot of information that is helpful as you progress through the system. After reading this thoroughly, click Next. This page asks you for an address where the work is going to be performed. This page is searching through what we call the master address list for the city. So you cannot put in an address that is not a correct address. Click on Search Address. Address line 1 is for the street number. You would enter the street number. Address line 2 is for the street name. I am going to use Massachusetts Avenue. I need to put in MASS, and it will search Mass Ave. Click Search, and 831 Massachusetts Avenue came up. You need to click on the folder, and that will bring up the parcel number for the address. The information is 831 Mass Ave. If this is the correct address, then you would click Next. This particular screen you can just click Next through. Then you're going to be required to choose what type of permit within the electrical permits you would want. Do you want a new service permit or an existing service? We will, for this demonstration, use existing service. Click Next. And this is where you would start filling out the information. The information that's required here is the same information that would be on a paper permit. Anything that has an exclamation point beside it is a required field. The more information that you supply us will eliminate anyone having to communicate with you to obtain additional information. First, you would pick the type of work. Is it in a residential or a commercial? This is commercial space. The estimated amount of work is the amount of the contract you have. So it would be, in this case, we're using $5,000. And you would proceed through and fill out all of the information. After filling out the general information page, please go to the next tab. And the next tab is the electrical fixtures that you would be replacing. So you need to go through and choose which electrical fixtures you would like to do. For this purpose, I'm using the tab Other Electrical Fixtures, and I'm going to put in 5 receptacles. Then you would go to the Insurance tab, and you would pick the type of insurance coverage you would have, a bond, insurance, or other. You click Insurance and click Next. This page is asking you to attach documents. One is the copy of your license and the other is the proof of insurance. You will not be able to proceed without attaching these documents. You click Add Attachment and you upload your scanned document, and you receive a pop-up with a generated number for your application. You should retain this number and click OK, and then proceed to the home page. If you scroll down, you will see that you have applied for an electrical permit.